मुझसे बात क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you talking to me? Why are you talking to me? कल मेरा जन्मदिन था। Yesterday was my birthday. Yesterday was my birthday. मेरे लिए थोड़ी जगह बनाओगे क्या? Will you make room for me? Will you make room for me? मेरे सिगरेट पीने पर आपको आपत्ति तो नहीं होगी? Would you mind if I smoke? Would you mind if I smoke? तुम थक गए हो। You are tired. You are tired. तुम्हें तुरंत जाना चाहिए। You had better go at once. You had better go at once. तुम्हारे पास एक कुत्ता है ना? You keep a dog, don't you? You keep a dog, don't you? कौआ कोयले जैसा काला होता है। A crow is as black as coal. A crow is as black as coal. दरवाजे पर एक आदमी दिखाई दिया। A man appeared at the door. A man appeared at the door. मुझसे कल फिर आकर मिलना। Come see me again tomorrow. Come see me again tomorrow. आपके पास अपॉइंटमेंट है क्या? Do you have a appointment? Do you have an appointment? मुझे वापस फ़ोन करना मत भूलना। Don't fail to call me back. Don't fail to call me back. ऐसा मत बोलो। Don't say things like that. Don't say things like that. उन सभी के पास साइकिल है। Each of them has a bicycle. Each of them has a bicycle. पापा फूलों को पानी दे रहे हैं। Father is watering flowers. Father is watering flowers. ग्रीक लोग भी अक्सर मछली खाते हैं। Greeks often eat fish too. Greeks often eat fish too. तुमने कभी कोआला देखा है? Have you ever seen a koala? Have you ever seen a koala? उसने मुझसे थोड़े पैसे मांगे। He asked me for some money. He asked me for some money. वह पुलिस अफसर बन गया है। He became a police officer. He became a police officer. मैं जो भी कहता हूँ वह मेरा यकीन कर लेता है। He believes whatever I say. He believes whatever I say. उसने सिगरेट पीना छोड़ने का फैसला किया। He decided to quit smoking. He decided to quit smoking. उसने काम अपने आप किया। He did the work on his own. He did the work on his own. उसकी मेरी बहन के साथ सगाई हो चुकी है। He is engaged to my sister. He is engaged to my sister. वह कभी कभार मुझसे मिलने आता था। He occasionally visited me. He occasionally visited me. उसने दरवाजे के पास एक कुत्ता देखा। He saw a dog near the door. He saw a dog near the door. वह आमतौर पर घर देर से आता है। He usually comes home late. He usually comes home late. वह पिछले साल टोक्यो गया था. He visited Tokyo last year. He visited Tokyo last year. वह क्लास में हमेशा देर से आता है. He is always late for class. He is always late for class. उसकी राय बेकार है. His opinions are worthless. His opinions are worthless. ईमानदारी सर्वोत्तम नीति है. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. वह कितने दिनों से बीमार है. How long has she been sick? How long has she been sick? तुम्हारे पास कितनी किताबें हैं. How many books do you have? How many books do you have? मुझे अंग्रेजी में दिलचस्पी है. I am interested in English. I am interested in English. मैं आमतौर के मुकाबले में देर से आया. I arrived later than usual. I arrived later than usual. वह जो भी कहे मुझे उस पर यकीन है. He believes whatever he says. He believes whatever he says. मैंने 2 दर्जन पेंसिलें खरीदी. I bought 2 dozen pencils. I bought 2 dozen pencils. मुझसे और काम नहीं किया जाएगा. I can't take any more work. I can't take any more work. मैं रोज 20 मील चलता हूँ. I cover 20 miles a day. I cover 20 miles a day. मैं उसका बिल्कुल भी यकीन नहीं करता. I don't believe him at all. I don't believe him at all. वे जो मर्जी कहे मुझे उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I don't care what they say. I don't care what they say. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि क्या पढ़ूं. I don't know what to study. I don't know what to study. मुझे उसके प्रस्ताव को अस्वीकार करना पड़ा. I had to decline his offer. I had to decline his offer. मैं टॉम और जॉन के बीच में बैठा. I sit between Tom and John. I sit between Tom and John. मैं पिछले महीने लंदन में था. I was in London last month. I was in London last month. मैं शहर का नक्शा खरीदना चाहता हूँ. I did like a map of the city. I did like a map of the city. मैं निकम्मा हूँ. I am a good for nothing bum. I am a good for nothing bum. मैं एक बूढ़े आदमी की तलाश में हूँ. I am looking for an old man. I am looking for an old man. चूहा जिंदा है या मर गया है. Is the mouse dead or alive? Is the mouse dead or alive? यहाँ पर मुश्किल से कभी बारिश होती है. It hardly ever rains there. It hardly ever rains there. कहा जाता है कि वह बीमार है. It is said that he is sick. It is said that he is sick. मुझे बहुत मज़ेदार लगती है. It seems interesting to me. It seems इंटरेस्टिंग टू मी। मुझे बहुत दिलचस्प लगती है। इट सीम्स इंटरेस्टिंग टू मी। इट सीम्स इंटरेस्टिंग टू मी। मूसलाधार बारिश होती है। इट्स रेनिंग कैट्स एंड डॉग्स। इट्स रेनिंग कैट्स एंड डॉग्स। सब लोगों के लिए एक समान है। इट्स द सेम फॉर एवरीवन। इट्स द सेम फॉर एवरीवन।